recording, yes.
Buon après-midi, madame.
Good afternoon, everyone. Bon après-midi, tout le monde. Everybody open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Sorry, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Children, just give me a minute. I'll just go and get the white. Today we are supposed to start the exercises of chapter 6, right?
Ma'am, I made the table of the lay nationalities.
Yes, yesterday we were doing the table of nationalities. So we came across different country names and their nationalities, how they are supposed to be.
Ma'am, I have written all the nationalities.
Yes, beta,
And
you were supposed
and ma'am, I didn't have space for the United States, so I didn't wrote the United States because I can understand. It was, I think, it was Les États-Unis.
Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. That is the United States. Leçon 6. What is the name of the chapter?
Leçon 6.
Les Amis de Caroline. I will not write this because we have to do exercise.
Les Amis.
Open up page number 68. Exercise 1. Complétez selon l'exemple donné. Complete according to the example given. The first example is, now see, pay attention. What the example is given? L.A. Francaise. What you're supposed to do, you are supposed to turn it into or convert it into masculine. So that becomes il-a and français without e. Yes? This is how it is going to be. Like this, you have to complete this entire exercise. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, please explain again.
Beta see, the example is given LA Française. What you have to do, you have to change it into masculine. If it is given in masculine form, you have to bring it into feminine form. If it is in feminine, you have to change it into masculine. And all you have to do is you have to take care of the change in the gender of nationality.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the sixth question, LA Swiss. What is this Swiss?
Swiss. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Swiss
There is nothing
from Switzerland. The person who lives in Switzerland is a Swiss.
So, ma'am, we can also write in our copy this.
No, beta. Space is given in the book. This exercise will be done in the book only.
No, ma'am. Can we write the nationality of Switzerland also in the copy?
Yes, you can write it.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, what will be the masculine? Just remove E.
Okay, beta, in Switzerland, this is the country also, which is named as La Suisse. This is masculine nationality also, and this is feminine nationality also.
So, everything is same.
Yes, everything is Swiss here.
And ma'am, in the next question, it is Belgium. I think it should be Belgium.
Yes, the country is Belgium, wherein masculine and feminine nationality is Belge. Both are Belge.
Ma'am, done the first exercise.
All of you raise your hands, those who have done. Beta Atiksh, click picture and send it on the class group so that I can see. I can just check it.
I'm done.
Others have also done.
Ma'am, just on the last second.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I start second question?
Yes, beta. Those who have done can start the second question.
Ma'am, sent on the group.
Now, Atiksh, beta, see what you have done in the second one. Ilit in the end. Huh? Il is already given. And you have again wrote ill. It should be
okay,
L in the end. Yes?
Okay.
Ele é Italian. Yes. Ele é Português. Ele é Swiss. Ele... Again, the spelling of Française is also wrong. Français. Elle est Française.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is Belgium?
People of Belgium are called Belge.
Okay.
Now the second exercise says put into plural. Now what will the plural form of these words be? La and la changes to, what does it change to?
Lay.
Lay. And then later, whatever the noun is given, you have to take care of it. How it will be changed into plural.
And the national language of England is also French, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. The national language of England was French,
Okay.
but it changed to English.
Ma'am, the 8 of question number 2, it is written le élève. It means students.
Les élèves. Where, beta? Where are you saying?
Ma'am, that one only.
Élève, the last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it means the student.
And ma'am, infant.
Enfant is a child.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I send you?
Okay, beta, send.
Ma'am, done the both exercise.
Then send both the exercises in the class group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the second question, like how can we change indefinite articles into definite? What we have to do?
Beta, what are definite articles? Definite articles are la, la, and le.
Okay.
La, la, le, and L apostrophe. What are these? These are definite articles. Now, what is indefinite article? If it is given la, what will be the indefinite article in masculine form? What will be of la?
Yun.
What will be of lay?
They.
They.
And as such, of L apostrophe, there is nothing. Why? Because we use a and un only before vowel sounds.
Okay, ma'am. But in the book, as an example, it is given
Yes.
So there is.
Because it was L apostrophe om. And om is what? A man. A man is masculine. So what do we write? An om.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we are doing? Ma'am, what we are doing?
Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am, how do we pronounce school in French?
Beta, school is called école. We call it école.
Okay, ma'am.
And Atharv Gupta, you have joined the class late. Open page number 68 and start doing the exercises of chapter 6.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you have to do in question number 4?
What, beta?
Ma'am, what do you have to do in question number 4?
Question
You don't have to
fourth.
do, I didn't.
Question 4th is a lab activity. So we are going to skip this question. Everyone has done the 3rd question. Refect.
No, ma'am, only 3 left.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is
What?
MUSEE?
Musée. Musée is a museum.
Ma'am, it will be feminine or masculine?
No, masculine. Le musée. A musée. It is a musée.
Ma'am, done the fifth question also.
Very quick. Good.
I want the last of question number 6.
Children, done the third one? No one is replying. What is the matter? Done or not done?
Ma'am, done.
Yes, I'm done.
I'm not done. Please wait.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, I'm ready to wait, but at least reply. So which all exercises have we done? Exercise 1, 2, 3. Yes?
Ma'am, I have done first,
Ma'am, 5
second, and
is
third.
First, second, and third are done. So moving on to the fourth exercise, which is to be skipped. Directly coming on to the fifth exercise.
Ma'am, done.
Yes. Okay, do one thing. Those who have not sent, first send me these 3 exercises in the class group. I want to see how you have done. And then we'll move forward to the next one.
Ma'am, just sending, please wait.
I sent you all 4.
Sir, I also sent you.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Let me just go through. Who has sent me this picture? Whose number is 9944 in the end? Beta, you have written les enfants. You have not made enfants in plural. Whosoever it is, please do it. Rest, everything is correct in this exercise. And in the above one, all are perfectly correct. Okay. Then coming on to Karthik Khandelwal's work. Very good. All correct on this side. Then lays off all lays. Perfect. Okay. Good. Guranshi. Perfect. Then
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the meaning of corbel?
corbeille. Corbeille is a basket, I think. It is a basket. Okay, done. Karthik's work has been checked. Now coming on to Ansh Patel. Les Restaurants. Whose work is this? Whose name did I take? Ansh Patel. Huh. Beta, restaurant is not written in plural form. Make it into plural.
Okay, ma'am.
And les shares also not written in plural. Make it into plural.
Ma'am, after checking, can you please tell what you have to do in question number 6 as I can't
Yes, beta, I will tell only.
listen.
What will I do? If I'll not tell me what am I going to do? I'll tell you what is to be done. Anyone's work left unchecked?
Ma'am, Rishit.
Rishit. Okay, wait, beta, Rishit. Coming on to your work. Where is Rishit's work? Have you mentioned your name? Is that the work with the number 9944 in the end? Harsh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha, beta, it is checked. See?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that means I have checked everyone's work. Now, coming on to the next part. The fifth question. The fifth question is put mettez la forme de l'article défini qui convient. That form of definite article which is convenient. Now what they have given, they have just given the noun. Yes. If the noun has been given in singular, we have to place the definite article according to it. If it has been given in plural, we have to give it according to it. So whichever form is convenient according to the given noun, you have to put that form of definite article. Start doing it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have the confusion in the sixth question, which like it is says Caroline. Then I can can this be LA Samira?
It is say Caroline, right?
Yes,
It means
ma'am.
this is Caroline. Then
And ma'am, after that LA.
LA. Now, what you have to do, beta, when I'll come to this exercise, I'll explain it properly. You are just talking about Caroline. This is Caroline's introduction. This is her presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
So LA, L has been used for Caroline. LA, what? Any adjective that you like to put, you can put to her.
Then we have to do question number 5.
Yes, beta, you have to do question number 5. This is what I explained
Okay, ma'am.
about question 5.
Ma'am, what is the plural form of SUISSE?
Plural form of SUISSE, it's ES. We put S after it.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I have to ask that what is the masculine form of SUISSE?
It's the same. SUISSE is the masculine form also and the feminine form also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ils sont suisses.
Done? Everyone has done?
Ma'am, I can't understand what to write below Sonia. LS.
We have not come on to that exercise. I have only explained you the fifth exercise. Tell me, is the fifth exercise done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, what we'll do, coming on to the sixth one, complétez les textes suivants. Like the following, this text that has been given to you as an example, you have to fill all others like this. Now, what is written in the first one? The first one, it's written, say Anish. Okay? Which clearly means that he is Anish. Il a 10 ans. They have spoken about Anish's age. Then, il est indien, il est beau. So what they have used? The name, his age, his nationality, and one adjective. In four sentences, they have described this person. Similarly, you have to give the description of all others made on the page. So they have told the name. So we are going to write, this is Caroline. Now, L-A. L-A what? She is what? L-A. Can we put belle? Can we put jolie? Can we put
Yes.
intelligent? Whatever adjective we are going to use, we will use it in its feminine form. Why? Because we are using for Caroline.
Ma'am, how will we pronounce kind?
Kind, gentil. Elle est gentille. Then you have to tell her nationality. So let's make it français. Elle est française. She can be called a French, or you want to give some other nationality to him, to her, sorry.
Indian.
Elle est italienne, elle est française, elle est espagnole, elle est allemande, any nationality. Elle dash these ons. So, elle a these ons. Similarly, the
Ma'am,
next
can we
two.
write?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write L ons? We say. Ma'am, instead of D, can we write ons?
Beta, but these is already written in the book, na? I have not written it on my own.
No, ma'am, it is not written.
I am talking about Caroline right now.
Oh.
Will you be able to do the other two, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay. This time I'm going to give you this kind of a question in your final exams. Okay, so be prepared for this one.
I'm done 6.
Good. Send it on the class group. And this is the last exercise for today, beta. Those who have done, please send it on the class group so that I can do the corrections.
Ma'am, sent.
Okay, good. Now it's time for your next class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me just check and send these two. Setyum P, Elsa Pelsonia, Elet Indian, Alonso, and Igron. Perfect. Ishika beta, you have not written il a there in the age of Ethudion Pedro.
Okay, ma'am, corrected.
Yes. So that's all for today. Bye to all of you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.